Merhaba öğrenciler. Today's topic is TV media or television media means television media. Today we're gonna learn some words, Turkish words related to media. So let's start. So the first word is Turkish series. You all love Turkish series and I'm sure you all know this series Kara Sevda. So how to say Turkish series in Turkish? It's Turk dizisi. Turk dizisi. It's a compound noun. We'll later learn about compound noun. But in Turkish, the second noun takes accusative suffix as I or si. That's how Turk dizisi. So the next word is lead roles. This was the main cast of Karasevda and they were the lead roles. So how to say lead roles in Turkish? It's başroller. Başroller. Though it is a plural word, that's why we add ler as suffix. If you don't know about plural suffixes, then you can check out my previous lesson about çoğul and tekil, which means plural and singular. And the next one is Burak Özçivit. If you love Turkish series, then you must know him as Malkoçoğlu Balibe and Kurulus Osman. He is an outstanding actor and he plays the main male character in Takara Sevda. So how to say male actor in Turkish? It's erkek oyuncu. Erkek oyuncu. Erkek means male or man. Oyuncu means player or actor. Moving on the next one, Neslihan Atagul was the main female actor in Kara Sevda and female actor in Turkish is kadın oyuncu. Kadın oyuncu. Kadın means female or woman. Oyuncu means player or actor. Urban Baron, the cute child, plays the role of Deniz in Karasevda. And how to say child actor or child artist in Turkish? It's çocuk oyuncu. Çocuk oyuncu. Çocuk means child and oyuncu means actor. Kaan Orguncuoğlu plays the negative role or villain in Karasevda. So how to say villain in Turkish? It's kötü adam. Kötü adam, not kutu. If you say kutu, then it will be box. In Turkish, kutu means box, but kötü means bad. It's O and U, not O and U. So you must cautious about the pronunciation. I'm repeating again. Kötü adam means bad man or villain. Let's see the next one. Toygar Shekle composed the music of Kara Sevda. If you love Turkish songs and music, then you must know him. He is an outstanding music composer and singer also. So how to say musician in Turkish? It's musician. Musician. And the last one. Hilal Saral was the director of this famous series Kara Sevda. So how to say director in Turkish? It's yönetmen. Yönetmen. So for today bu kadar. If you love Turkish series and want to understand Turkish series without English subtitle, then you can enroll my course Basic Turkish online course for beginners. You will find the course link and the details of the course in my pages. See you in the next lesson. Ben Sanjida, beni dinlediğin için teşekkürler.